how to change fingerprint animation for your OnePlus Nord phone, as well as changing the edge lighting feature on your OnePlus Nord with Android 15 Oxygen OS 15 update. Use the quick access, tap on the settings icon here, and from there, go to where it says wallpaper and style, this option right here. Once you go here, you'll just go down past all this until you see fingerprint animation and the edge lighting. So when you go to fingerprint animation, you can select a style even if you haven't set up your fingerprint yet. And you can always choose from the 8 options, or going down a little bit will give you the none option, which means no animation at all. Now, once you have made your selection, it will stay as that, then come out, then go to edge lighting. You can set it to none, no edge lighting, or the 3 colors available, blue, red, and gold. Like and sub.